Hi, this is Dr. Sheikh Abdul Jaffar. I am working as an associate professor in CSC Data Science Department. Today, my topic is Mobile Ad Hoc Network MANET now. Today, we will see in the previous session, we have seen the what is the introduction to the mobile computing, what are the applications of mobile computing, and we have seen the what is multiplexing and demultiplexing concepts here. Today, we are going for the MANET see details of this what is mobile network layer and different what is mobile internet protocol and the different multi-class protocols in this discussion today. See, now again we are going for the previous course objectives of this mobile computing. See, to understand the basic concepts of the mobile computing, to learn the basic of mobile communication systems now. So then we have to understand, to familiar with the network protocol and Adhoc networks. Now today our topic is this one here. We are discussing about what is mobile network layer and protocols and Adhoc networks now then afterwards we have to know what are the objective basics of transport and application layer protocols here. Then to gain the different knowledge about the different mobile platform and application development now. See, what are the course outcomes of this mobile computing this subject now. Say can understand after completion of this course, we are understanding what is multiplexing, what is demultiplexing, what are the MAC protocols now here, that is medium access control protocols. Then we are learning the basics of the telecommunication system now here, understanding the functionality of the MAC medium access control protocols now here, network layers and identifying a multicasting routing protocols like this. The different multicasting routing protocols are there. The DSDV, that is ZSR, the DSR, and all the things we are studying in this discussion now. After completion of the course, the students learn these all the things. Finally, the student learn what is the functionality of the transport and application layer, and develop how this mobile application will be developed using Android, there's BlackBerry and iOS and Windows SDK. Okay, now this is the syllabus of this the previous the lecture. I discussed all the briefly what are the course syllabus here was this one. See, first unit deals with the introduction to the mobile computing applications and multiplexing, different types of multiplexing, SDMA, TDMA, FDMA, and CDMA. Now, what is SDMA? Here, space division multiplication access, the time division multiplication access, the frequency division multiplication access, and code division multiplication. Now, second unit deal with the cellular systems here, just GSM services now, architecture, GSM architecture protocols now, the satellite systems, what are the different types of satellite, what are the applications of satellite systems here in GPS, RS services, what are the architecture of UFTS, universal mobile telecommunication system, and the network architecture. Third unit deals with this mobile network layer. Today our discussion is this only, MANET layer, mobile IP, what is mobile internet protocol, what are the classification of multi-class routing protocols here. Today we will discuss up to this one here. The next lecture we are going for the details of this, what is multicast routing protocols, DSDV, DSR, AODB, ZRP, and DHCP here. Security issues in the MANET here, and we can see the what is the distinction between the MANET and the VANET here. The VANET is nothing but here the advanced version of the MANET here. There's a MANET means mobile ad hoc network, and VANET is vehicular ad hoc network now. Okay, now fourth unit deals with the transport layer and application layer. We will see here classical TCP improvements. What are the see what are the old TCP protocol cannot be used for the mobile applications, mobile computing. Then we are modifying the traditional TCP transmission control protocol now. That is indirect. We are doing improvements classical TCP branch by using in the indirect TCP now, mobile TCP transmission transaction oriented TCP now, wireless application protocol architecture. This the WAP architecture. WAP is nothing but wireless application protocols. There are different protocols we are discussing here. There's a WTP wireless datagram protocol, then WTLS wireless transmission protocol WP, and WSP now wireless session protocol, and WA is wireless application environment. and WML is nothing but wireless markup language. It is just like any your extendable markup language XML we are using in the web technologies now. And afterwards, we had to study now what is the WML here, wireless markup language script now. It is just like an use the Java. We are creating this script in the JavaScript by using a Scavenge. Now, fifth unit deals with the here what are the operating systems here we are using for the mobile computing. That is just like like this Windows mobile and BlackBerry mobile communications and everything. See, this is the brief description of the course syllabus now. See, then this unit 3 is organized into three sections. First one is mobile IP internet protocol. Then afterwards we can see what is the classification of multi-class routing protocols and multi-class routing protocols in details. What are the architectures of the what different we are discussing, that is DSDV, DSR, there's AODV and ZRP. We have to discuss in details in the multi-class routing protocols. Now today our discussion is I'm limiting to only the what is mobile IP now. Now simply briefly we can see the what is the classification of multi-class routing protocols. Okay. Now we first briefly I'm going for the introduction of this third unit. See the third unit deals with mobile network layer protocols now that support seamless communication in dynamic and infrastructure less environment. See, whereas in the previously see when compared to the in mobile computing, see infrastructure less infrastructure and here we are that is it is we are generally in the mobile computing in this mobile ad hoc networks we are using a dynamic topology instead of static topology. We are here dynamic topology. Unlike traditional where it gets mobile networks must handle node mobility, there is a frequent topology changes. Frequent topology changes means here the topology cannot be fixed now. It will not be static. It will be dynamic. That's right. And limited bandwidth and the security challenges we are discussing. See in this mobile focus on the mobile network layer now, which plays a crucial role in. See what is the purpose of this? We are studying with this mobile network layer, network layer, which plays a crucial role in routing, addressing, mobility management, and secure data transmission in mobile environments. Okay. See, this is the importance of this one. This is briefly. We again, I'm going for the brief explanation of the third unit here. Then I will start the basic concepts here. See, now this is the introduction to the mobile ad hoc network. See, MANET stands for the full form of MANET is mobile ad hoc networks. Okay. See, M stand for mobile now. A stand for here ad hoc, and then net for stand for networks now. It's where mobile, see, where mobile nodes communicate directly without relying on the fixed infrastructure. See, this is the advantage of this mobile MANET here. In MANET, there is a fixed, there is no fixed infrastructure now here. Infrastructure is continuously changing. It depends upon the mobile nodes here. Okay. See, MANET is widely used in applications such as disaster recovery, military communication, and sensor nodes. These are the many applications of the MANET here. See, after invention of this advanced invention of the mobile computing, this MANET is come into existence now. See, to support mobility across different networks, I want to connect this mobile nodes. Mobile nodes is nothing but here your mobile phone, smartphone, your laptops, and what are the smart devices come under the mobile nodes here. See, suppose I want to connect the one mobile node to the another mobile node, then we have to use the mobile IP. Mobile IP. What is mobile IP now? Mobile Internet Protocol. Mobile Internet Protocol is introduced, which enables devices to maintain continuous internet connectivity while changing their point of contact now. Okay. See, it maintains a continuous internet connectivity while changing their point of contact. See here, the unit further finally the unit further explains multi-class. Finally, third part of this unit is multi-class routing protocols. There's a different protocols here, that is DSDV, DSR, AODV, and ZRP. Then we are going in the next class. In the next lecture, I am going for the details of the one by one of routing protocol multi-class. Okay, now we go for the additionally we can study the dynamic host configuration protocol also in this discussion now. Now finally, then we are going for the what are the securities in used in the MANET here, and what are the comparison between the MANET and MANET. We'll discuss a distinguish between MANET and MANET. That is, we are comparative study between the MANET and MANET. What is the uses of the MANET, what is the uses of the Manet here, where the Manet will be applicable, where the Manet will be applicable in which applications we can use this one. These are the overall view of this chapter. Now we go for the introduction part here. First here, what is mobile network layer? See, mobile network layer is responsible for enabling communication between mobile devices in wireless environment where network topology changes frequently. See, network topology changes frequently means dynamically it is changing. The network topology is not static here; it is dynamic. Okay, it ensures routing. Routing is the thing, but we are transmitting the data from source to destination. That is in the form of the packets now from the source to destination. Addressing and mobility management to maintain continuous data transmission. Continuous. So the two important concepts in the mobile network are mobile ad hoc network, what is Manet here, and mobile IP now. Okay. See, we will discuss this concept with the help of the diagram. We'll see here. First, we will see what is mobile network. Then I go forward the mobile IP. What is mobile IP? In the mobile IP, to understand the mobile IP now, we have to understand the basic terminologies. What is home agent? What is a router agent here? What is home address and all the things we discuss. Now, because here, a MANET is a self-configuring infrastructure-less network consisting of a mobile nodes that communicate with each other using wireless link. See, MANET is simple, nothing but a group of mobile nodes. They are connected without the physical connection. Means they are connected through the protocols here. See, for example, the MANET. I will see the diagram of this. I will show the diagram. This is the MANET diagram here. See, in the MANET here, these are the different mobile nodes here. This is source. One source in the laptop is there, and then the destination are here we are using a mobile device like this here, tab and something here. See, these are the mobile devices, smartphones, laptops, the tablets, tabs here. All the things are nothing but here mobile nodes here. These mobile nodes are interconnected by means of the here protocol. By we are using a protocol to connect from one mode to the other. It is just like in your internet here. There is a there is a source will be there. Then the Wi-Fi router is there. How this Wi-Fi in the same fashion here also there is a source will be there. One mobile node act as an here host here, and one mobile node act as an router. Okay, say router. Okay. In this way here now, suppose in this diagram I am showing here, this I want to send the data from source to destination. Then this is the path here. The different they're transmitting different by means of through the different mobile nodes here. Then it will reach us to the destination. Okay. See, this is the only we have discussed with the help of the diagram shown here. See, each node in a MANET acts both as an host and router. See, now only I have discussed now what is the host, what is the router now. See, one mobile device acts as an host and one mobile device acts as a router, forwarding packets to for other nodes here. Okay, forwarding packets to, it is forwarding the packet from the one node to the another node. Okay, so due to node mobility here, one important thing in this mobile network is the nodes will not be fixed now. Okay, the nodes will not be fixed. The nodes are continuously moving. That is mobility. No, there is a mobility of nodes will be there. That's why the network topology changes dynamic. See, network topology is not fixed, is not static. Not only I discussed now, the network topology is dynamic. See, we are using dynamic topology in the mobile network, making use routing a challenging task. Okay. See, the MANETs are widely used in applications such as military communications, disaster management, emergency services now. So it is a collection of, what is a MANET here? It is a collection of mobile nodes that acts as both router and host in a ad hoc wireless network without using any pre-established infrastructure. In the mobile ad hoc network, there is no pre-established infrastructure. There is no fixed infrastructure. See, it depends upon the applications. The infrastructure will be changed. Depends upon, say suppose there are military applications, then their infrastructure will be different. Suppose the disaster management application is there, their infrastructure will be changed now. Here, that's why here node mobility, and another thing is here. That's why the nodes are moving continuously. Node mobility is there. That's why it leads to dynamic topology. Okay, the nodes typically transmit in broadcast messages that reach only nearby nodes. See now from where nearby nodes, whatever the messages will be there, from one mobile node to the other, right, it will be transferred the messages now. Okay. Now we go for the now details of this. How what it, I had now only I seen the diagram. With help of the diagram, I explained to you what is the mobile nodes, how the mobile nodes are connected through the protocols in the without physically connected infrastructure, means wireless through the wireless infrastructure. This one. Okay. Now we go for the mobile internet protocol, mobile IP. Mobile IP is a very important concept to understand the MANET and VANET here. For particularly MANET here. If you understand the mobile IP, you can easily understand the MANET now. See, mobile internet protocol is designed by Internet Engineer Task Force (IETF). Now here, it is a standard communication protocol that allows the mobile device users to move from one network to another network with the same IP address. With the mobile IP, we are using the same IP address. See, we are not changing the IP address here. Suppose I want to transmit the data from one network to another network, but the IP address will be the same. But the data I can transmit the data from one mobile node to the another node. Okay, this is the advantage of this mobile IP. See, mobile IP is a protocol that enables a mobile node to maintain a permanent IP address. Yes, I told you same IP address means initially the mobile IP is a protocol that enables the mobile node to maintain a permanent IP address while moving across the different. See, whatever the networks mobile node is transmitting the data, but their mobile IP address cannot be changed. Why? Because mobile IP protocol is having the permanent IP address. Permanent IP address. It allows a seamless communication by ensuring that ongoing connections are not interrupted during mobility. Now, see, mobile IP introduces key components such as home agent. That is an we can see here what is home agent here, what is a foreign agent here, and what is care of address, what is home address, and all the things basic terminologies. To understand the mobile internet protocol, we have to understand the basic terminologies to understand what is the here foreign agent, what is the home agent, and all the things we explain here this one. Okay, this is a basic terminal. Now our next slide, with this slide I am explaining to you what are the key terminologies we are using in the mobile IP protocol. Now, first one, we have to understand what is mobile node. Okay, mobile node is a device such as smartphone, laptop, tablet, tab that can be moved from one network to another while maintaining continuous internet connectivity. Okay, see, whereas this one mobile is a device that can move from mobile node is nothing but your mobile device. Mobile device means your smartphone, your laptop, or your tab, or your MacBook, besides your Apple tab here, something here, whatever is the companies will be there, Samsung tabs or whatever it may be. See, that can move from one network, that can be moved from one network to another. That can move from one network to another while maintaining continuous internet connectivity. See, there is a continuous connection, internet connection will be there. Okay, there between these two mobile nodes here, whatever the node. The mobile node uses a mobile IP to communicate without changing its permanent address. The mobile node will communicate with the another mobile node. See, that is transmitting the communicate with the other mobile node and transmitting the data without changing its permanent IP address. See, the mobile IP has having the mobile node, the mobile IP will create the mobile node with a permanent IP address. That is the thing. Okay. Now we coming to the here home network. What is a home network? The home network is a original network to which the mobile node belongs. See whatever mobile nodes will be there in your home network. Say it is not. See, the mobile nodes, whatever in the infrastructure, that is as infrastructure, there is a topology that mobile node is residing. That is the home network. Okay, it is not transferring. So after it is transferring from home network to the foreign network, then we can say that then we will see what is the foreign network will be there. Okay? It is the network where the mobile node permanent IP address is registered. Here in the home network, the permanent IP address is registered. See, for example, you can take here your network subscribers, for example, Airtel subscriber and Geo subscribers. Now, if you are going for a SIM registration, if you go for the SIM register now here, then they are creating the one permanent IP address will be registered with the subscriber like this. Even when the mobile node moves to other networks, it is logically associated with his home network now. Okay. Now we coming to the here. What is home agent? Home agent is a router. See, home agent. See, home network. Home here. Home network is different here. Home agent is different. Home network is nothing but the original network to which mobile nodes will be belongs to. But here mobile home agent is nothing but the router located in the mobile nodes home network. See, in the suppose there are 10 mobile nodes and these mobile nodes are connected in the this is the network home network now. The in that one mobile node act as a router here, that it is act as a home agent. Okay. See, the main functions of the what are the main functions of the home agent? Keep tracking of the mobile nodes current location. See, mobile nodes current location, where is the current location? See, now because nodes are moving from one place to another, that's why mobile nodes, that's why it keep the track of the what are the current location of the mobile node. The intercepting packets sent to the mobile node's home address now here. Okay. And tunneling these packets to the mobile node's current location, that is care of address. Care of address nothing but the temporary IP address which will be allocated. We'll see here what is care of address in the next definition, this one. Okay. These are the basic definitions, the basic terminology you understand. Now we will go for the home address. The home address is the permanent IP address assigned to the node in its home network now. Okay. In this home network. Okay. The home address is the permanent IP address. Say, home address is nothing but permanent IP address assigned to the mobile node in the home network. This address remains unchanged regardless of the mobile node environment across different networks, ensuring transparent. See, even the mobile node is transferring from one network to another one, but its permanent IP address should not be changed. That is home address. Okay. Now we coming to the foreign agent. The foreign agent is the router located in the foreign network, the network currently visited by the mobile node. See, actually, mobile node is in the home network here. That is in the home network. There is a home agent will be there. See, suppose if this mobile node is moving from one place to another, then when it is reaches to when it is first time it is visiting the that's a new place, that is act as a foreign network now, that is known as foreign network. Then that foreign agent is nothing but router located in the foreign network is nothing but the foreign agent is a router located in the foreign network. Okay. It provides services such as assigning a care of address to the mobile node. Care of address is nothing but here temporary IP address now, temporary IP we come here now here care of address. Okay. Forwarding packet from the home agent to the mobile node. Home agent is nothing but home router in the home network. Home agent is nothing but router in the home network here to the mobile node, acting as a point of contact for the mobile node in the foreign network. Okay. What is care of address? Care of address is a temporary yes, care of address is a temporary IP address that represent the mobile node's current location in the foreign network. Okay. Now only I told you it is used by the home agent to forward package to the mobile. See, there are two types of care of address will be there. One is foreign agent care of address, co-collocated care of address. See, these are the basic terminologies you have to understand before going to further mobile IP. See, after if you understand the basic concepts here, then you can understand the Manet very in an understanding way now. Okay. Now we coming to the what are the classifications of multiclasting protocols. Okay. See, generally the multiclasting protocols are broadly classified into generally two types, but depends upon the this routing. They are divided into three types now. Okay. Generally, the broad classification is there is a dense mode and the push sparse. This is the first one is the dense mode here, push mode, and this is second one is the sponge. See, dense mode is nothing but here. So dense mode multiclasting protocols are used for networks where most subnet in network should remove the multiclass traffic here. Okay. Now we will discuss in detail in the next sessions. This is because we will discuss only the basic what are the classification we will see here in this class here. In the next lecture, I will go further details now. Okay. See, these are the things will be the now. See, mechanisms we are using flooding and cloning here. Initially, flood the entire network routers with no interest receivers and approved message back to the source now here. Okay. We are discussing and these are the things will be there. Now in the multiclasting routing protocol is vulnerable to routing loops, and one simple loop prevention mechanism is that router will never forward multi-class packets on their interface where they receive the packet on here. Okay, now we go for the sparse mode. Now sparse mode is nothing but used when members are widely scattered across a large network like the internet. Now it assumes nobody wants the data unless they specifically ask for it. Okay, see, these are the mechanisms we are using in this one here. That is a PIM SM. Now here's PM sports mode and the CBT course based trace. Now these are the technologies protocols we are using this one here. We are going for the details because it is not in the silver stuff only. We have to understand what is the broad classification. The main core of this classification of multi-classing protocols are nothing but here are divided into three types. For one is proactive yes, this is the this multi-classing routing protocol. Manet routing protocols are divided into three types here. Proactive multi-classing routing protocols, then reactive multi-classing routing protocols, and hybrid protocols. Okay, see, now we will see here what is the what is proactive routing protocol. See, this is the tabular column. This is with this tabular column. And with this diagram, I am explaining you. Then there are different three types of multi-classing routing protocols: proactive multi-classing routing protocol, Manet routing protocol, then reactive Manet proactive routing protocol here, and hybrid Manet routing protocols. Okay, now we'll see here what is the proactive routing protocol. See, proactive routing protocol is also is nothing but here these are also known as table driven routing protocol. See, in this proactive routing protocol, before starting, see, we know the address, we know the destination address. Okay, see, we know the destination means we know the route, how this the mobile nodes we have to transmitting the data from one node to the another node. They in advance we know the path of the destination, that is path of the destination. Okay, see, that is each mobile node contains a separate routing and another thing is in this proactive routing protocol, each node, the different nodes will be there. Each node maintains a separate routing table which contains information of the routes to all the possible destination moments here. See, this whatever the node, suppose there is a node A is there is a node B is there. Now here, when the data is transmitting from node A to B, then in the node A tabular column, there is a different column in the in the destination. What is the distance of half now, and what are the which node, what is the destination node, and all the things included in the here in the form of the tabular column. Okay, since the topology in the mobile ad hoc network is dynamic here, now only told you. See, these routing tables are updated periodically, routing tables, and as when the network topology changes. See, even when the topology is changing here, then the tabular column is also changing. The tables of the different nodes mobile nodes changing. Okay, it has a limitation that it does not work well for large network, as it entries in the routing table becomes too large since they need to maintain the route information to all the possible nodes. Okay, see, whereas in the case of proactive multi-class routing protocols, there is a limitations will be there. It is only limited for less number of mobile nodes. Suppose in the internet there is n number of 1,000. There are nearly 2,000 to 300 mobile nodes will be there. It is very difficult for this for proactive routing protocol. Okay, now we coming to the next one is reactive routing protocol. You see, the reactive routing protocol is nothing but here. See, reaction. It is just like an for every action there is a reaction is there. See, suppose we know that here depends upon the application. Yes, this is the application now, and depends upon the application we can we can this protocol will create the path to the destination. Okay, see, in advance this in this protocol it does not know the path here, but in the case of reactive routing protocols here, after implementing after implementing, then it will know the path to the destination nodes here. Okay, they know the destination. See, these are also known as an on-demand routing protocol. On demand, yes. Then in this type of routing, the routing is discovered only when it is required. See, the routing is discovered. See, routing means your path. The path, that is the data we have to transmit from one mobile node to another. That is the path. Now here is that is the route is discovered only when it is required needed. The process of route discovery occurs by flooding the route request packets through the mobile network, it consists of two major phases, namely route discovery and route maintenance. We have to discover the route here, and after discover, then we have to maintain the route also. See, sometimes due to hazardous conditions, whatever they may be now, the mobile nodes, the route will be destroyed. That is, it will be destroyed now here. Now that's why for this route maintenance also will be important here. See, at sometimes one node, say suppose there are A, B, C, D, E, like this. These are different nodes will be there in the network now here. And I want to transmit the data from A to E node here. The A to E node, the data is transmitting the data in the form of the packet transmitting from A to B, from C to D, C to D to E, from E to E. Suppose in this middle, suppose one this D mobile node will be creating a problem, that is its hardware something fails here, then it is a problem will be this. That's why this is the thing here. We have to see in the carefully. We have to maintain the here nodes here, mobile nodes here, and we first initially we have to discover the route here, and afterwards we have to maintain the of the mobile nodes here. Okay, to successfully transmit the data from one mobile node to the another. Now we coming to the third one is hybrid routing node protocols here. Hybrid routing protocols is nothing but the combination of the proactive routing protocols and routing protocols. Okay, it is advantages of the both reactive protocols and proactive routing protocols. So these protocols are adaptive in nature and adapts according to the zone and the positions of the source and destination here. See, one of the most popular hybrid protocol is ZRP now, zone routing protocol now here. See, we will discuss in detail in the next lecture one by one. What is DSDV? What is DSR? What is DSR over here? Then we will see the AODV and ZRP. These are the different four protocols in our syllabus. These are important protocols in this unit now. Thank you.